Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our maths class. Our maths class will start with tables. Everyone know the zero table. Shall we start the zero table? Everyone repeat after me. Okay? 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 fives are 0, 0 six are 0, 0 sevens are 0, 0 eights are 0, 0 nines are 0, 0 tens are 0, 0 elevens are 0, 0 twelves are 0. I hope you understand zero table. So what you understand by this table? If you multiply any number by 0, the result is 0. Okay? Now, I will ask some questions generally. Every day what you are doing that is, then I will ask the questions. So, will you answer? Okay. Now, Akash, stand up. Morning, how many idli you ate? 4. Very good. Vaishni, stand up. How many subjects are there in your class? 6. Very good. Okay. Bhaskar, how many vehicles are there in your home? 5. What are those? Okay. Scooty, bike, bicycle, car, and another one is small bicycle. Very good, very good. Okay children, understand everything is, if you want to count how many, it's nothing but you are saying simply a number. You are starting the answer with a number. Either 1 or 2, 10 or 50 or 100 or lakh or crore, whatever it is, that is. So everything is, we are giving the count with a number. Okay? Now, so another one is, in this number, for example, in our English, apple is there. A-P-P-L-E, apple, you are telling the spelling. Same as our numbers also having some names. The names, some cases we are writing, some cases we are reading also. If you are writing in the words, then we will say so with one name. If you are reading the number, that is also have a one name. Sometimes these all the numbers we are writing with some symbols. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Those symbols also having, if you are writing like this, so this formation is also having one name. That is nothing but our topic name is, yes, numeration and notation. This chapter having some topics. So we will see on the screen, everyone. Look at the screen. Here, observe here, numeration and notation. We have some subtopics here. In these subtopics, we will learn only one topic. That is nothing but Hindu-Arabic number system. What is the topic name? Hindu-Arabic number system. Hindu-Arabic number system have another name. That is nothing but Indian number system. In the Indian number system, we know very well, we have lakhs, crores, thousands and hundreds. Okay? So now, so this total chapter we will easily remember with only one chart. That is nothing but structure plan. Very easy. You can write all the subtopics like this and easily you can remember. So I think you know well. So everyone likes ground. Why you like the ground? In the ground we will play so many different types of games. Okay, some games names Coco, Kabaddi, Volleyball, like this. And another game is there. It is yes, something you are saying that is. Yes, nothing but that is cricket. I think in India, so many of them, the most of the children, most of the big persons also, they will like cricket. In the cricket, some of the children, they are choosing some famous cricketers as a role model. Yes? Yeah. So now, here, some of the girls also, they want to become a cricketers. Yes? Okay. So now, we will learn about cricket. So how we will learn? Just you know very well that about this game. So some famous cricketers, how many matches they played, how many runs they scored, some of the players is given here. Everyone look at the screen. Yes, so our 50 plus are so many members, they are like the cricket. Now we'll see that. Everyone look at the screen. See the table. In this table is given the name of the players and is given that he belongs to some country, and another one is given how many matches they played, and they is given so how many runs they scored. Now once everyone so read that what is the first name, who is the player, is the famous master blaster, is none other than Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone knows. So it belongs to India. Now how many matches he played? 463 matches played. How many runs? So many centuries also. So he done that. Century means you know well. Oh, century means how many runs? 100 runs. So now, so how many runs he scored? 18,426. So next, the second person is Kumar Sangakkara. It belongs to Sri Lanka. So how many matches he played? 404. How many runs he scored? 14,234. The next third player, Ricky Ponting, is also a very so famous player. And how many? Sorry, he belongs to Australia. How many matches he played? 375. Only few matches he played, but so he scored more runs. 13,704 runs. Next, fourth player, Sanath Jayasuriya. It belongs to Sri Lanka. How many matches he played? 445 matches. How many runs scored? 13,430. Next player is Mahela Jayawardene. So he also belongs to Sri Lanka. So how many matches played? 448. And how many runs he scored? 12,650. The finally sixth one, who is that? Enjamam Pulak. So he's very strong, and he belongs to Pakistan, and he played 378 matches. Then how many runs he scored? 11,739. So how many players are there here? Is given at the table 6 players. So those are Sachin Tendulkar, Kumar Sangakkara, Ricky Ponting, Sanath Jayasuriya, Mahela Jayawardene, and Enjamam Pulak. And also, so their countries are given here, and number of matches also given, and finally runs also given. Once everyone just a minute to look at the screen. Everyone just identify. I will ask the questions on this table. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now I will ask the questions here. So anyone? Akash, are you ready? Okay. So Akash, stand up. I'll ask a question. So once see that who scored the highest runs? Highest runs who scored? So look at the screen, see the table. Who is that? On check the matches and on check the runs. So scored means the runs, you have to check it. So who scored? Yes, very good. 18,426. This belongs to Sachin Tendulkar. Who scored? Sachin Tendulkar. Now the first answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Now the second one is number of runs scored by Sanath Jayasuriya. See that. So in the names, see. So where is that? Yes. The fourth name is Sanath Jayasuriya. Who will say? Anyone? Karthik, stand up and say. Yes. Your answer is correct. So 13,400. 430 runs. Who is that person? Sarah Jayasuriya. How many runs he scored? 13,430. That is the second answer. Right, everyone? Note down. Next, third one. How many matches Sachin has played to score more runs? Sachin Tendulkar. Which name? Which place here? First place. Sachin Tendulkar. So he belongs to India. Yeah. How many matches he played there? Who will say? Varshini. So say the answer. 463. So write the answer. Next, fourth one. Of these 6 players, here 6 players are there. These 6 players who played least number of matches. Least means very less matches in here. Check. Go to the matches. Here see that 463, 404, 375, 445, 448, 378. What is the smallest number? Here 375. 375 belongs to, who is the person is? Who is the person? Ricky Ponting. Very good. That is the fourth answer. So understand, children? It's very easy, no? Just you have to remember how many matches and how many runs and who is the player. Very easy. Okay? Now, now I will explain a small riddle. Go to the next slide. Everyone look at the screen. So, see there. So, here using the clues below is given the 4 clues here. Okay? These clues everyone read carefully. So, choose the number each riddle describes. This indicates one, for example, is given the clue. Where is that answer? It will give a small clue. So as you read, draw a cross. If for example the number is not belongs to the clue, just you have to cross it. So and finally, after you have to read the clues for each reading. Finally you have to read and read. Finally completed the 4 clues. Finally, after crossing all the numbers, only one number will left. That is the answer. Shall we start? Okay. Everyone see that first A1. You can see that A1. First, see the numbers. What are the numbers are given? What is the first number is 305. Second number is 3005. Third number is 35. Fourth number is 3050. And another one is 3500. Now we are going to the first clue. Yeah, I am greater than 300. In these 5 numbers, I am greater than 300. So more than 300 numbers you have to keep it there. The remaining numbers you have to cross. Here, greater than 300 is 305. Is it greater than or not? Yes, just you have to leave it. 3005. This is also greater than 300. 35 is it greater or small? Small. Small means what will you do? You have to cross. Next, 3050. This is greater or small? It is a big number. Leave it. Next, 3500. This is also a big number. Leave it. The first clue is completed. After completing the first clue, one number we eliminate. Now we are going to the second one, B. I have 5 in the ones place. I think you know very well that is how you write the places from left to right. We'll start the ones place to up to the black rows. Yes or no? Now see there. According to the second clue, first number. What is that? Ones place only is asking. Ones place which number we want? 5. Here in the first number. So ones, tens, 100. Ones place 3 or 5? Ones place 3 or 5? Yes. Here 3 means it is not a ones place. We'll start the places from left. This is the left to right. This is ones, tens, 100. Now ones place is 5. Shall we keep or eliminate? We need 5 only. In the here in 305, 5 is there. Just you have to keep. Next, go to the second one. This is also having the 5. Already this is we eliminated. This don't need to touch. Next, we are going to the next one. In this one's place, what the number is there? 0. But he is asking 5. This is also this is eliminate. Next, here also 0. This is also eliminate. After completing the two close, how many eliminated? 3 numbers. Those are 35, 3050, 3500. Okay. Now only 2 numbers left. That is 305 and 3005. Go to the final clue. I have 0 in the hundreds place. So we need 0 in the hundreds place. Go to the first number. In the first number, ones, tens, hundred. This is hundreds place. We want in the hundreds place 0. But here what is the number is there? 3. So is it the answer? No. You have to cross. You have to eliminate this. Next second number. You can check ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds have the 0 and finally only one number left. That is this is only. What is the number? This is 3005. This is our answer. So if this is our answer, what will you do finally? You have to circle the answer with your sketch pen or normally gel pen or whatever it may be. Okay. Next, we are going to the second one. Second puzzle. Same like this one. Will you do? Okay? Just I will give the clues. You can do your own. Okay? Now, here see there. B. What are the numbers? 423, 4023, 324, 3412, and 2143. How many numbers given here? 5 numbers. Now we are going to the clues. What is the first clue is given? I have to in the tens place. Okay? Every number's tens place check. In the tens place, which number we want? 2. First, ones, tens. In the 423, what is the tens place number? 2. Yes, you have to keep here. Next, ones, tens. In the second number also 2 is there. And the third, ones, tens. And the third number also 2 is there. Next, fourth number, ones, tens. In the tens place here 1 is there, but we want 2. You have to eliminate this. You have to cross it. Next, ones, tens. Here tens place number 4, but we need 2. This is also have to cross. After completing the first clue, we are eliminated 2 numbers. Now we are going to the second clue. Now second one. What is the second clue? I am less than 1000. Less than 1000 means smaller than 1000. 423. It is smaller than 1000. Just keep. 4023. It is bigger than 1000. You have to eliminate and cross it. Next, 324. It is also smaller than 1000. Just you have to keep. Next, another one is the last one. I have 4 in the ones place. First number. So what is the ones place here? 3. But we need 4. So you have to eliminate. Eliminate means cross. Now go to the third number. Because of the second number, we eliminated. Now go to the third number. So here, so ones place, what is the number is there? 4. Only one number is there. That is nothing but 324. This is the final answer. If it is a final answer, what will you do? Yes, very good. You have to circle the number. Understand, children? So just now we are going to the class. That is our topic is, what is our topic is? Numeration and notation. What is the subtopic is? Today topic is Hindu Arabic number system. Now Hindu Arabic system, another name is what? Indian number system. In Indian number system, we have some symbols. Those are nothing but, everyone look at the screen. I will show you that what are the symbols. Here, so the symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If any number will write with the symbols, then we will call it is a Hindu Arabic system. So, and also we are expressing as thousands, lakhs, crores, 10 crores, like this. Understand, children? Okay, shall we go to the next one? If I think you know very well, for example, how many of them they know the numbers? Varshini, you know the numbers? Very good. Will you say the numbers? Okay. So, Bhaskar, you know the numbers? Will you say the numbers? Karthik Gupta? Very good. So, everyone, for example, if you want to say the number, you will start with which number? 1. Will you start with 0? No. To start with 1. If you start with 1, you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, you are counting the numbers. You are saying the numbers. These are all the counting numbers are called natural numbers. These are all the counting numbers are called natural numbers. What is the spelling of natural? N-A-T-U-R-A-L. In these natural numbers. So, what is the first letter in the natural? N. So, we are representing these are all the counting numbers by a letter N. Understand, children? Don't write small letter. Only write the capital letter. Because of that, you know very well, everything is, every paragraph, every word, we are starting with the capital letter. That's why you have to keep the capital letter. Now we are doing, for example, always here, Bhaskar is different, you know very well. He will think differently. That's why he asked me yesterday, sir, 1, 2, 3, everyone is counting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I will start with 0, sir. Yes, you can start with 0. If you start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so many numbers you can say. If you start with 0, those are all the counting numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by, what is the first letter in the whole numbers? W. They are represented by W. Once see that here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here given some dots. What is the meaning? How we will express, how we read this one? And so on. And so on. Understand, children? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It's what is the meaning is here so many numbers are there. Understand, children? Okay. Now, so already first we learned that is before the starting the topic we learned that is if you write the numbers in words are naming the numbers. Naming means what? Lakh, thousand, crore, 10 crore like this. You are giving the names. If you are doing like this, you are writing all the numbers in the words and you are giving the names. It is called numeration. But sometimes you are writing the numbers with symbols. You are forming the numbers with symbols. What are the symbols? These are the symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and so on. Those symbols are called forming of the notation. If you are writing like this, 1, ONE1, TWO2, THRE3. If you are writing like this is called number name. Understand? So, if you are writing like this is called the numeration. If for example, if you write like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, if you are writing, this is called notation. Understand, children? Now, so shall we go to the exercise? Everyone do the sums? Okay? Children, so everyone look at the screen. Exercise 1.1. I will give idea how to do this sums. Very easy sums. Everyone listen carefully. So and you have to at home. These are all the sums. Okay? The first one. See that define. Just you have to write the definition. What is numeration? Before only just I told that what is the numeration. Understand, children? Numeration. You are writing the name, number names, or you are reading. This completely we call the numeration. Notation. We are writing with the symbols. Then we call the notation. Okay, you are right. Next, complete the following. Here, largest 3-digit number. The very important, very easy also. 1-digit numbers are there, 2-digit numbers are there, 3-digit numbers are there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-digit numbers also there. But if we need the largest number, just you have to remember 9. For example, if you ask the 1-digit number, largest 1-digit number, only write 1 number, 1 9. If 2-digit number, 2 9s you have to write. If 3-digit number, 3 9s. 4-digit number, 4 9s. So everyone look at that. See, this is largest numbers. Here, first one, 1-digit largest number. Second one, 2-digit largest number. Largest means big number. Next, 3-digit largest number. 4-digit largest number. 4-digit largest number means how many 9s are there here? 4 9s. Now we are going to the last one. Here, how many 9s are there? 6 9s. 6 9s means this is 6-digit largest number. Same like this only. We have to do this sum. Okay, now we are going to the second one. Smallest 1-digit number. What is the smallest 1-digit number? If we are counting the numbers, what is the natural numbers? What is the smallest one? 1. Okay? Now that is smallest 1-digit number is 1. If 2-digit number we want, so 1 right side we have to write 1 0. If 3-digit number we want, 1 right side we have to write 2 zeros. Now, so everyone look at this one. Okay. Now everyone see that here smallest 1-digit number. First number is 1. Second number. What is the second number? 10. Means 1 followed 0. How many zeros here? Only 1 0. You have to write 1 0. Don't write this side. Okay. If you write the left side, there is no value. Just you have to write the right side only. Next, if you write 1 after 1 right side, 2 zeros, see this smallest 3-digit number. If you write 4 zeros, it is the smallest 5-digit number. If you write the 5 zeros, it is the smallest 6-digit number. Once everyone is here given numbers 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Lakh how many zeros? 5 zeros. 10,000 how many zeros? 4 zeros. 1,000 how many zeros? 3 zeros. And 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. After completing your answer, just check how many digits you are writing that is. If you ask the 3 digits, we need only 3 digits, 3 numbers only. Understand, children? Go to the third one. See that the place value of 7 in what is this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 means 57,842. In this number 7. 7 in which place? How do you know? You have to write the symbols of the places. First you write ones. Ones means only write O, top of the number. Tens, T, 100, H, and next one is thousands, T, H, capital T and small h. Next 10,000, 2 T's and a H. Now here 7 is in which place? Thousands place. Which place? Thousands place. Children, so look at this. So I will say on example. Here, what is the number? 3,789. Here observe that is green color number, that is 7. Okay. Now here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here 7 is in which place? 100's place. If you want to write the place value, you have to multiply the place. Now the place is 100. Means 7 into 100. You have to write like this. You will get easily answer. 7 into 100, 700. Now place value of 7 is 700. But this 7. Now we have to do this answer is like this. Next we are going to the fourth one. Face value of 2 in 2435. So 2 again, ones, tens, 100,000. Actually here, so face value means what is the digit is there everywhere in any place the same answer you have to write, the same number you have to write. So I will give you one example. Everyone is you have to see. Here everyone see that before also the same number 3789. Before number we got the answer 700. But you have to write now the face value of the 7. 7 here black color. Now what is the answer will come? Everyone see this. So now you can see that answer is the face value of 7 is 7. If it is in hundreds place or thousands or lakhs or crore, the 7 is 7. When if the face value asked. Okay? Okay children? Understand? Now we are going to the next one is E. The number 1000 more than means you have to add. How much you have to add? 1000. For which number is given the number 72,894. If more than means you have to add 1000 extra. If you add, what answer will come? That is right in the box. Next, the last one is successor of 6500. So already we learned that is what is predecessor, what is the successor in previous class. What's once recalled, successor means after number, predecessor means before number. Okay, so I will show one example. According to like that, you can do the sum. Here see that one number is there, that is 15. 15 before what is the number will come? 14. If the before number 14 is called predecessor. So 15 after 15 which number will come? 16. So if you add 1 you will get the successor. Now 16 next number is called the successor. Here successor is 16, but here successor the next number what will come, that is you have to write the answer in box. Understand children? Will you do at home? Okay? With this exercise you can do another one. That is nothing but you have to learn 2 to 6 tables. You have to learn 2 to 6 tables. Here given the 2 table, up to 10 enough. Up to 10 you can learn easy. So 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table. And also you have to write one time. How you will write? So look at the screen everyone. So like this, write here 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table. Understand children? Okay? Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.